Hello guys, hi, this is Kal from TechNext. So today I'll tell you about the upcoming gadgets in September 2016. So let's start. I'm looking for So today I'll tell you about the latest upcoming gadgets which may be launched in an event in Berlin. If you have heard about IFA Berlin, then that's great. If you don't know about IFA Berlin, I'll tell you in short. IFA Berlin is basically the oldest industrial exhibition in Germany. So IFA Berlin is also known as the Industrial Radio Exhibition Berlin. IFA was started around 1924. It is the world's leading trade shows for consumer electronic and appliances. So basically the giant tech companies come here and launch the latest products in this exhibition. So guys, if you are bored with the history of IFA, now let's start with the gadgets part. So I'll tell you which of the gadgets will be launched at IFA Berlin or which will be launched at IFA Berlin 2016. So today the first gadget I'm going to talk about is the Samsung Gear S3 smartwatch. So basically the Samsung Gear S3 smartwatch is going to be launched on 31st of August and Samsung Gear S3 will be doing rounds in IFA event in September 2016. The second gadget today I am going to talk about is another contender for smartwatch. Maybe Asus is going to launch its ZenWatch 3. So as Asus tweeted, there's time for something amazing now. So hopefully we can expect that Asus is going to launch something big in this IFA event in September 16. So the third gadget may be Motorola's 360 third generation. It is expected to show up at IFA event in Berlin. Acer is also expected to show off the new gaming smartwatch, although it is very hard to imagine getting the gaming experience on the smartwatch. But let's see what Acer does. So coming to the smartphone, Sony is also expected to launch its Xperia XZ and Xperia Z Compact. It was apparently listed on Sony's CZEC website. So let's hope that Sony may steal the market, because till now Sony is not in competition with Samsung or any other smartphone devices in India. Another device which is the most awaited device, the LG V20, which is also expected to be showcased in the IFA event. Lenovo and Moto had apparently launched the most interesting trailer of IFA 2016. So as in the trailer you can see, Lenovo has shown a bendable smartphone. So the cost of the bendable smartphone may be high, but if it is launched at IFA event, surely people will love it. We are even expecting Moto mod lineup. Moto Z and Moto Z Force were launched with basically 3 mods. If the Moto will have any additional mods, so people will surely welcome it. Huawei, the Chinese manufacturer, has unveiled its Mate 9. So as per the reports, in India Mate 9 will be released. Unlikely Mate 8 was not released in India. So the expected screen will be 5.9 inches for Mate 9, and it will have a dual rear camera setup as it was for P9 flagship. Acer may also unveil its panoramic Star VR headset in partnership with Starbreeze. Basically guys, you need to see that headset. It is actually, the design of the headset is mind-blowing. There are no words to express the design. So you can see the design of this headset, VR headset. So guys, these are some gadgets which are going to be unveiled at this event by some giant tech companies. So this event is basically from 2nd September to 7th September 2016. So all of you, thank you so much for watching me, and hope you really got a good knowledge about the upcoming gadgets and upcoming technology. So this is Kal from TechNext signing off. Please click on like, share and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Google Plus, and you can find all the links in the description below, and as well you can find these links on our YouTube page as well. Thank you.